my name is Kaylee, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your factory JBL subwoofer in your 2024 and up Toyota Tacoma. Using a panel removal tool, pry up on the corner of the subwoofer panel. Slide your fingers under the panel and pull towards the front of the taco. Remove the subwoofer harness by pushing the release tab. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 4 bolts holding the JBL subwoofer in position. Slide the subwoofer forward and remove from the taco. Removing the stock subwoofer leaves a large opening. For more information on how to cover this large opening, be sure to check out our How to Install Subwoofer video. Be sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all of the social medias, as well as subscribe to us on YouTube, because I'm going to be showing you how to do a complete audio upgrade in your 2024 and up Toyota Tacoma, whether it has JBL, non-JBL, is a hybrid, or a non-hybrid.